Chef hit dice. Yeah. Hey, tell them when they step, better step right. Step up in my kitchen with the chef dice. Cooking, I come out from my left, right. I got season and I do it just right. When I'm stepping in the kitchen, I'm blessing the kitchen. I got my grandma and my app and I'm the chef in the kitchen. I think they really should be happy cause I'm blessing the kitchen. This roll of dice and with you, I send it to chef in the kitchen. Chef hit dice. Yeah, you my right. Hey. Chef hit dice. Yeah, you my right. Chef hit dice. Yeah, you my right. Chef hit dice. Yeah, you my right. Chef hit dice. Yeah, you right. Chef hit dice. Yeah, you right. Like, share, subscribe.
Welcome to my channel. About to make it happen again. It's Good Kitchen. So we have some nice size thick pork chops right here. About to go ahead and cook these bad boys up. We also have some carrots straight from the garden. Man, the wife be doing her thing for real. So she just pulled these out the garden last night. So I ain't gonna let them go to waste. I'm about to make it happen with these nice fits to be delicious pork chops. And y'all don't forget to hit that like button. Okay, so here we go right here. We're about to go ahead and season our pork chops. We're using some avocado oil. Paprika. Italian seasoning. Oh yeah, I don't know if I showed or not. Paprika. A little garlic powder. We're gonna use this pack of Griller's Choice. Okay, everything nice and seasoned. Now you just want to take your fork and get that season all through the pork chops. Helps tenderize it. So we're gonna do both pork chops the same way. Okay, so we have some vegetable oil in our pan. Okay, so we're gonna sear both sides at least 3 minutes. After 3 minutes is up, we're gonna put this bad boy in the air fryer. So it's gonna be my first time with the air fryer, making pork chops. Air frying some pork chops. Let's see how it come out. Hopefully it come out good. Okay, both sides. Alright, so we're gonna let that side finish doing what it do. Then we're gonna turn it back on and flip it. Okay, so here we go right here. 3 minutes later. Oh yeah. Alright, this other side we just gonna do for a minute. Because this pan is already hot. So we're gonna let it do its thing for 1 minute. Okay, so we're gonna add it on bacon roast. Pork chops, looking good, just the way it is. Cut up some red onions, purple onions, whatever color it is. But they say red onions, so I get both these bad boys in there. Alright, there we go. Alright, we're gonna add some water. We need right there. Shut this real quick. Alright, bacon roast. 15 minutes. Let's do that over. Hold on. Alright, 325. 390 for 20 minutes. My bad. I put it on air fry. Now, there we go right there. Bacon roast. Let me see. It's on there? Yeah. Okay, there it goes. It's on there. It's on bacon roast, right? Oh, okay. So it got to be on 325 for bacon roast. For 15 minutes. It got to be on there. So that's why I switched up to air fry. Because I turned it up to 390. Okay, so here we go right here. I done made it happen in the good kitchen. Look at us. Got broccoli nice and tender. Steamed in the air fryer. Rice cooked in the microwave. Baked beans. Barbecue baked beans with that honey barbecue. Straight out the oven. And we go right here. Nice thick pork chops, nice and tender. And yes, they is tender and juicy. Alright, you know I love my onions, so I had to throw some onions on there. But you know, straight out the air fryer. Did my thing right here in this good kitchen. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Carrots, they could have went elsewhere, but it wasn't no room on the plate. So I just ghetto fab, do it on top of there. But other than that, your boy did his thing right here in this good kitchen. I hope y'all enjoy. Don't forget to hit that like button for me. Other than that, I had to get time film with y'all. Don't forget to hit that bell notification. Like, comment, and share. Y'all have a good night. God bless. Hit dice.